Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to make a simple timeline presentation. Timeline slides are used for framing project timeline, explaining history of an organization, describing the milestone events and many things where we had time frames. Now let us see how to do it. Open a new slide and give the appropriate title. Then go to Shapes, select Line and draw a straight line. Right click and go to Format, Shape. Change the color of the line. You can alter the size of the line by increasing the width. Next go to Shape and select Oval. Draw a oval on the timeline. Simply copy and paste as per the requirement. You can add more number of shapes in the timeline. Then draw a vertical line and do color change and line width as we did earlier. Copy and paste the line above and below each oval shape as shown in the figure. Now draw a small circle at the end of each vertical line. You can change the color of the circle from ribbon also. I am preferring red color for each circle and I am not preferring any outline. Simply copy and paste as per the requirement. You can change the color of the circle from ribbon also. I am preferring red color for each circle and I am not preferring any outline. To have 3D appearance, go to Shape Effects and select Preset. There are various options available in the preset. You can select as per your wish. I am using preset 5 for big circle and preset 2 for small circle. Now you will have a beautiful shadow effect in the timeline. The next step is providing the text details. Differentiate the text by assigning different color and size to have better look. Restrict your font size to 2 or 3 font sizes in the entire presentation. The last step is animation. Click on the animation pan. After clicking on the animation pan, it appears on the right side. Select horizontal line and then go to add animation in the ribbon. Click entrance effects and select the effect wipe. Go to effect options and select from the left. Now select big circle and then go to add animation. Now click on the entrance effects and select the effect zoom. Next select vertical line and add animation wipe. Next select small circle and go to add animation. Then click on entrance effects and select zoom effect. Now select the text and go to add animation. Click on entrance effects and then select random bar effects. In the animation pane, select each object and set the timing as start after previous. Now you can click on play button which is appearing on the animation pane. This will help you to check the functioning of animation. Now we completed animation for one time frame. Repeat the animation procedure for all the time frame. Then you can get the nice animated timeline slide. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.